Do you need to replace the LCD screen assembly on your XPS 9500? Well, I'm going to show you how. Also, you can click the top right of the screen to find this part or tools or anything else on our website. Alright, now with that out of the way, let's jump right in. Okay, the first step is to unscrew the bottom base cover. Then unsnap and remove it. Now disconnect the battery connector. Next, unscrew and remove the LCD cable bracket. Then disconnect the LCD cables. Now unscrew the plastic LCD holder and peel it back. Then unscrew the left and right LCD hinges. Now slide the palm rest and keyboard assembly from the display assembly. Now the reinstallation process is as simple as retracing your steps in reverse. If you still need help, you can visit partspeople.com and view printable DIY instructions to help you along the way. We also have playlists of thousands of Dell tutorials for hundreds of different models, so keep checking back. Thanks for watching.